Turmeric. You've seen it in curry, maybe even in trendy lattes. But did you know this golden spice is also one of nature's most powerful medicines? Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of turmeric, and by the end of this video, you'll see why it's much more than just a cooking ingredient. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. 1. A natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. One of the most talked about benefits of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation is a different story. It's linked to diseases like heart problems, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. Turmeric contains curcumin, its main active ingredient, which has been shown in studies to reduce inflammation almost as effectively as some pharmaceutical drugs, but without the side effects. Imagine easing joint pain or lowering your risk of chronic disease, just by adding a little turmeric to your meals. Sounds amazing, right? 2. Boosts brain function. Curcumin also plays a role in boosting brain health. It increases levels of BDNF, that's brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. Higher BDNF levels are linked to improved memory, better mood, and lower risk of brain diseases like depression and Alzheimer's. So, next time you feel foggy or down, remember, a golden milk latte might help more than you think. 3. Good for your heart. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide, but turmeric can help your heart in more ways than one. Curcumin improves the lining of your blood vessels, helping to regulate blood pressure and clotting. It's also been shown to reduce bad cholesterol and fight oxidation, all things that make your heart stronger and healthier. 4. Packed with antioxidants. Turmeric is loaded with antioxidants, which protect your body from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and accelerate aging. Curcumin not only neutralizes free radicals, but it also boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes. That's like putting your body's natural defense system on turbo mode. 5. Supports the immune system. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, turmeric gives your immune system a serious boost. Especially during cold and flu season, a daily dose of turmeric, whether in tea, smoothies, or supplements, can help your body fight off infections more effectively. How to take turmeric for best results. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually use turmeric to get all these benefits? Add it to your food, curries, rice, soups, and even scrambled eggs. Drink it. Turmeric tea or golden milk made with warm plant-based milk, turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey. Supplement it. Look for high-quality turmeric or curcumin capsules. Just make sure they contain black pepper extract, piperine. This helps your body absorb curcumin much better. A quick word of caution. While turmeric is safe for most people, taking too much can cause stomach upset or interact with medications. If you have any health conditions or are on medication, it's always best to talk to your doctor first. Do you include turmeric in your daily routine? Drop your tips or questions in the comment section.